Hello everyone, this is your Cisco trainer and welcome you to lecture number 4 left from the course CCNA 200-301. It is a 100% completely free course to pass the CCNA exam 200-301, and if you like the video, leave a comment and share to help spread this free series of videos. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, stay tuned please by just clicking on subscribe button, thumbs up, hit the bell icon, and do not miss the upcoming alerts and notification. Now let's get started. In this lab, we will cover the following steps. I have designed a beautiful topology for you. We have 1 routers and 3 switch. So, first, step number 1, change the name of the routers and the switch. So it is your homework. So I'm going to start with the routers. Click on routers. Press enter. Now we are in user exit mode. So we can jump to the user privilege mode by just entering en or enable or en, press tab, auto completion. Press en or enable, press enter. So enable, press enter, or exit, just type en and hit the tab button in order to make complete the commands. Press enter. Now what's the first step? Change the name of the routers to study to master. Type conft or type configure terminal. You can type conft. If you use a shortcut, type conft and complete command is configure terminal. Press enter. So I'm typing conft exit. When you type conft, the Cisco router or the Cisco engines brought us to the user privilege mode, to the privilege mode of the router. So configure terminal. And now we change the name of the router. Change name of the router by executing the following command: hostname. So host name, router name is study to master. Now the router name is changed to study to master. It is step 1. We have done the number 1 or the step 1 of the following steps. Step 2, configure unencrypted enable password study on a Cisco routers. So we are already in a privilege mode. Just type enable password study. So let's check and verify whether I have set the password or not. You can check from the privilege mode as well, and you can check it from the user exit mode as well. So type exit, again exit. Now we are in user exit mode. Press enter and en. After this I will use the shortcut of all the commands, but you have used shortcuts, or you can type it completely the command in a complete mode. Enable. Now I'm asked about the password study. Now this engine of the Cisco router brought us to the privilege mode. Again, what if we type a password wrong? Exit, enable, study. I have told you in a lecture video, the enable password is a case sensitive. So I'm typing the exact same spell with a lower case of the alphabet. Study. So I'm a bad secret. It means the password you have typed three times you have typed the password wrong. So bad secret. Now let's type the correct format study. Now I'm getting to privilege mode. Show run. You can type show running dash config, or if you type a shortcut, just type show run. Now here the password is in a plain text. With the enable password, the password saved on the running config and the plain text, so anyone who get in the router, he will read the password. The password is study. Now let's make it a little complicated or make it encrypted. So how to make encrypt the password? Jump to the privilege mode, conf t enable password encryption. No, what is the command? Sometimes when the engineers getting confused how to issue the command or how to execute the commands, Cisco provide you help, a sensitive help, by just putting a question mark. So when you put the question mark, the Cisco will provide you help about all the commands that you will execute it on a Cisco router. So just service password encryption. This is the command in order to encrypt the password. So service password encryption. Now let's check and verify whether the password is encrypted or not. You can type exit and you can show the password and verify the password from the exit, the user exit mode, or you can verify the password from the privilege mode as well. I already explained it in a lecture video. If you want to execute the commands from the privilege mode, just type do following the commands. Do show run. Now check. The password is completely encrypted. What's this 7? 7 indicates that this password is encrypted with the type 7 algorithms. So let's check the others as well. Type exit. Number 4 we have checked. Let's check the show running config. Show run. So the password is encrypted and the type 7 already told you it indicates the number 7 encryptions. You can only check and verify this password encryption as well without this extra information. So just type show run pipe I enable. It will retrieve only the password for you. Let's check. So it is the password that I have encrypted and the 7 is indicate the type 7 encryptions. This command shows only, or this command just shows and verify the exact password that you have encrypted. So the others, step number 5, configure a more secret encryption password. So let's make a little complicated in order to put a little time on the password in order not someone get in. So conf t enable secret master. This password will override the enable password. Now let's get in. You can get to the user exit mode. Exit, type exit, or just press Ctrl Z. So I'm just pressing Ctrl Z. Now I'm in a privilege mode and exit. Let's type enable and enter the password master. Now I am into privilege mode. Type again exit. Now type the study, whether it work or not. enable study. So this password is not accurate anymore because we entered, or we have set up the password with a enabled secret password. When we type enabled secret password, the enabled secret password override the enable password. So let's type master. Now I am in a privilege modes. Let's check whether the password is encrypted or not. Show run. So the enabled secret password are the masters encrypted already in this format. What does this 5 indicate? Number 5 indicates MD5 encryptions. MD means Message Digest version 5. So now the password is encrypted with the MD5. This 5 indicate MD5 and the 7 indicates number 7 algorithms with the Cisco routers. So let's check once again. Let's check the previous command whether it is work with the enabled secret or not. Show run pipe I enable secret. Yes. It only retrieved the password with the type 5 algorithm that I have encrypted, or it's the password that I have set it to this router. This type password is enabled secret passwords. Number 6. Step number 6 is done. Now let's issue and let's save this configuration. If we check show startup config, so there is nothing because we didn't save the configuration from RAM to the NVRAM. No issue. Let's save the commands, the configuration from RAM to the NVRAM. We can save the configuration by 3 ways. Number 1, we can type write. Number 2, write memory. Number 3, copy running config to startup config, or you can use the shortcut as well. Number 4, just type WR. Now let's save the configuration. WR or write memory, copy running config to startup config. Now let's check whether we have saved the configuration file or not. Show run. We have saved enable secret password, enable password, and lots more information about the router. Just press enter. Interface VLANs, interface VLAN, IP flow export version 9, and lots more information about the router. Show startup config. So we have the information saved and from RAM to the NVRAM. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you want to show your support, please subscribe the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share the video with anyone else studying for CCNA